we are trying to figure out how many grams of food X are in the mixture. Well, we know that he's fed a total of 300 grams of mixture from food X and food Y. Food X contains 10% protein, and we'll say that there's X grams of that. And food Y has got 15% protein. And the final mixture has got 300 grams of protein. Well, if you got a total of 300 grams here and you've got X grams here, the amount of Y would be 300 minus X. If you take the total and back out how much is in X, that's how much you'd have in Y. All right, so let's see if we can write an equation. So let's worry about the amount of protein. Well, food X, you've got X grams of it and 10% is protein. So 0.10 times X would give me the amount of protein in there. And then 0.15 times 300 minus X would be the protein in Y. And this last mixture, the total mixture, it told me I had 38 grams of protein. So set this equal to 38. That's the total. This is the amount of X. This is the amount of Y. Now solve this equation. That's 0.10X plus 0.15 times 300. Well, 15 times 3 is 45. It's going to be 45 minus 0.15X equals 38. That's going to give me a negative 0.05X. 38 minus 45 is a negative 7. So divide both sides by 0.05. 7 divided by 0.05. That's going to give me a 1 and then 20. And 5 will go on 20. It's going to be 140. So X will equal 140.